Dear Dad, happy Father's Day. As a healer, you've touched millions of lives. Over the past 36 years, you've shown a new way of doing things, a new way of touching lives, healing people, and making a difference in the way healthcare is being provided, not only in India, but for the rest of the world to look and see how we can do things better. We thank you for being such an amazing part of our lives, for looking after millions of people. We are, as daughters, what we are today only because you dared to dream and helped us fulfill not only our dreams but other people's dreams. We would like to say that from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Thank you for being a healer. Thank you for being our Lion King, because to us, you are the king of not only this jungle, but the king of all our lives, and we love you for that. May God give you amazing times, incredible moments, and a healthy, happy, multiple years, decades ahead. We love you very much from the bottom of our hearts. Happy Father's Day.
In times of COVID, I think it is even more important to celebrate the good things that are happening around us. Today, we celebrate Father's Day. And Father's Day is indeed very special for us, especially because, and I'm sure for everyone else who believe that they've been blessed with someone like my father, who is also the chairman of Apollo Hospitals. Dr. Reddy, chairman, started Apollo Hospitals in 1983. He was over 50 at that time. So we were one hospital, one team, one family. Today we are 70 hospitals, 80,000 people, and we've touched over 100 million lives. This is really the power of entrepreneurship, and this is really what we celebrate today. So what too much about, but it has been a vital part of his life and a learning for us as his children. When Chairman faced many problems as he started Apollo, whether it was finding funding because it was the first corporate hospital, or working with the government, it was a challenge, and he faced many such challenges. But when he did so, he went back to the learnings in the Ramayanam, to the learnings in our Vedas, and very specially he started reading the Sundarakandam, story of Hanuman. More than a story, it was a learning for all of us, because in the story of Hanuman, you see a Hanuman who is not only a servant of Rama, but a Hanuman who displays the infinite possibilities of life in the way that he crosses the ocean and goes to Lanka and eventually takes the army to Lanka. That is the true spirit of success, the ability to conquer fear, the ability to face challenges. Thank you, Dad, for teaching us all these lessons. We know that you have the ability to integrate IQ, SQ, EQ. You've taught us all that so well. So today, as a daughter, we appreciate everything that you've taught us, and you are so special in the life of the 10 grandchildren. You're very special as a great grandfather to your great grandsons. I wish you happy Father's Day, and more than anything else, I'd like to say that as a country, today we celebrate angels in white coats. You've been that gentleman, that doctor in a grey coat who we love very much and who we look up to.
Namaste. Happy Father's Day to all of you that, our fathers have fathers and just have these father figures. With today, pleasant duty to talk about excellence. And it's quite easy for me because I've lived with a dad who believes and, passionately about excellence. And excellence comes, what I've learned, it comes from mindset, it comes from passion. And competence lot of competence will come from hard work and training. But to be truly excellent, you need to want to just take that one step higher, and that's where your mind comes in, and you have to believe it. So here's an example. Many years ago, when we were building Apollo, Chairman felt, if I build something that is excellent, I can attract the best doctors from around the world to come here. The Indian doctors will come back. And it was only because that he could show that here was a facility built with excellence that people came back. And together they drove that to become what Apollo is today, the epitome of India's healthcare excellence. When it came to choices, whether it was taking doctors or, the people that he hired in the initial days, or especially when it came to equipment, he always had these choices, In fact, some vendor came to him and said, Doctor, Indian rupee to the dollar, how can you afford to buy the latest equipment? Let me give you recondition, it'll be 1 generation old. And Chairman at that point set the benchmark of Apollo's excellence, and he said, I will not compromise. Every patient of mine will get the best of healthcare that they would have received anywhere in the world. And that was Apollo's hallmark of excellence throughout. So today, when people talk about Apollo, the excellence just comes built in, and it has become that because of all of you, because of our learning from my dad, and that's my great Father's Day message that comes from having him. But having said that, we have to realize how precious it is to have our fathers in these desperate times, to keep them, to hold them, to protect them. Let's pray, let's work hard to make sure that we can overcome this crisis of COVID, and we're in it together to be, for our fathers, for our parents. That's the most priceless thing. Whatever that we can do to help them, to save them, let's all commit to that this Father's Day. Love you, Dad. You're just amazing. Thank you.
My father, Dr. Pratap C. Reddy, is a source of great inspiration. He's really very special, and it's with great pleasure that I wish him a very happy Father's Day, Daddy. If someone wants to talk about how he is so outstanding, I would say one of his greatest characteristics is his innate compassion, his sense of caring for people and for the humanity at large. And it is because he feels and he cares that he is inspired to do more. It is this compassion which has enabled him to dream of a new healthcare system for the country, to innovate, to find ways to bring advanced healthcare to India. And it's also, I think, because of that compassion for humanity at large that he found the way to inspire us. So 4 of us are truly inspired, continuously committed, and very lucky to have a father like us. Happy Father's Day, Daddy, and happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers all over the world who are doing something special for your children. All the best.